Hello, let's take a look at your submission to Chapter 6, the My IT Lab system. So I have the results here on the screen. Our first step to look at is step 4. It says, in J15, well, type subtotal, you did that. In J16, enter the formula. I'm going to click to see, because it gave you some points, I'm going to click to see what it didn't like. And it didn't like this part. The formula was not set to units times multiplied by retail price. Okay, so let's hop over to your worksheet here in the cell, J16. So I need to turn off the advanced filter so I can look at the complete column results. So under the data tab, I'm going to click clear. There we go. Now in cell J16, we're not going to use the subtotal command. We're just going to say units multiplied by retail price. So I'm going to remove the function name, I'm going to remove the parentheses, I'm going to remove the comma, and I'm going to replace the comma with the asterisk. Okay, so units times retail price. When I do that in J16, you know it'll fill down the rest of the column. So all the points will be awarded for that. I'm not exactly sure why the formatting is different for J15, but I don't think it should influence the points. Oops, hang on just a second. Okay, back to work. So now we're on step 6. We're going to apply the advanced filter, which you had. I wanted to see what it didn't like about it. Advanced filter list range not set to, Well, let's go through this. So I'm going to apply we have to apply the advanced filter back on because we had to turn it off. So I'm going to click on A15. I'm going to click advanced to set that filter. It is A15 through J212. It looks correct to me. So reapply it. If it takes off any points for the advanced filter in the next go round, just let me know. All right, let's take a look at what's up next. Step 7. And then if I advance this, if I expand it to see what it didn't like about what 2 points it took off, what it didn't like was cell H9. So back in your worksheet, if I go up to H9 here, I could see where just a little typo, right? We're not summing the subtotal, we're subtotaling the subtotal field. So we're using the subtotal function, so not the subtotal column name, but the subtotal function. So I'm going to double click this one, the subtotal function, and then the number 9 represents the sum of the subtotal column. All right, so in the end, this is what it should look like. Fix that for H9. And I think then you are good to go. I think that was the last one. I'm going to expand this up. Yeah, do that again and then resubmit with these corrections. And it should be, fingers crossed, at 100%. If it's not, just email me and we'll get it whipped into shape.